Today I'm going to be reviewing the Spectrum DX2E with the Spectrum SR310. Spectrum radio is a 2.4 gigahertz radio. It is a 2-channel radio. It has steering trim, throttle trim, steering dual rate, and your throttle and your steering reversing, and also a bind button. Now this radio is got rubber, silicone kind of thing. It's very comfortable in the hands. It's got quite a bit of throw in here. The wheel is kind of large. It's got a lot of throw in, but it's kind of large for most people. It's got an on and off switch right here. It runs on 4 AA batteries. This is a later version, so it has that kind of a shark fin kind of looking. Older versions had that antenna you could fold back and forth. And then there's a receiver right here. It looks like to be a 4-channel receiver, seems like. I'm not sure. It looks like it. It's got quite a bit of long antenna. It actually reached quite a bit over here, and it has to go this much, so it is quite a big antenna. It is quite lightweight in the hand. If you're one of those sensitive people, it is kind of slightly forward, sort of. Not really, but it is really balanced in the hand. When you compare it to other 2.4 gigahertz radios out there, like say, was it, trying to remember. Fly Sky Radio, Associated Radio, Tactics Radio, and all those other 2-channel radios. This one's really good. It's got quite a bit of range. I actually tested it. It's got plenty of range, surprisingly. The only negatives I have to say about this, and the wheel, like I said earlier, is quite a bit large. The antenna is quite a bit big. And for those sensitive people, it goes slightly forward, just a little bit on your hand, but not really. I have to get this radio a 5 out of 5 stars. I mean, what would you expect from a 2-channel radio? Heck, it's really good. You have steering dual rate, steering trim, throttle trim, and your reversing. As long as I have steering dual rate, and I have my trims and my reversing, and I'm happy. Plus, I love the color. I love how they do that orange and black. It just looks really cool. This matches HPI vehicles really good, especially the low seas as well. Well, if you don't have pink on your car, or red or blue or whatever. So 5 out of 5, good radio. I totally recommend it. If I have to choose out of every radio, this would definitely be in my top list, kind of. I can't really choose a radio like #1 radio just because I have an ordinary radio, and that's it.